Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you ClassDojo how to use it. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. ClassDojo is a communication and classroom management platform that helps teachers, students and parents stay connected. It allows teachers to track student behavior, share updates and foster a positive classroom culture. So if you are a teacher, then for teachers what you need to do is first open up your ClassDojo app, and now here on logging it, what you need to do is set up your account as a teacher. Now once you have set up your account, all you gotta do is just simply click on this add class and then follow the on-screen instructions to successfully create your class. Now for students, enter your students' names manually or upload a class roster. ClassDojo will generate unique codes for each student. Share these codes with students so they can connect to your class, and then you can also assign avatars to each student for personalization. You can invite parents and use classroom tools like PowerPoints, messaging and share stories. You can monitor and share progress reports like behavior reports and portfolios. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did. Comment down below what the next video should be on. Consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.